10 words a day for beginners. Me, me. Can you help me with my homework? Do you love me? Back, back. Tom went back to America. He looked back and saw her. Give, give. Could you give me some money? We always try to give to charity. Most, most. Who makes most money? Sean is the most intelligent person I know. Very, very. Thank you very much. Today is very cold. After, after. Let's go for a walk after breakfast. What is your plan after school? Thing, thing. What is the thing over there? How does this thing work? Our, our. We want to buy our house in America. These are our children. Just, just. He will come in just a minute. Just then, the light went out. Name, name. What is your name? What is the name of your teacher?